The unit's mounted. The lines are run through. You can see we're fixing to take that number 10 back out because it has to be crimped. They'll come through right there, through these grommets, over the top of the inner fender and actually behind the fender up to the compressor. Now you can see right here, we got it the way we want it, and that way when we take it out here to the crimper, we'll line those marks back up. That way it'll be clocked right. Come on, let's go out. For those of you that's never used one of these, I bought this kit years ago. Master Cool 71550. It's got all your different sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12. That will lay in. This piece right here will lay in here and make sure that it's clocked. Like I said, some of them's got a weep hole that shows you to make sure that the hose is all the way up and seated. And you center it down like that. Put your pin back in. And now that we got the right die in there, the dies fold in and grip like that. See the mark? Those are clocked just right. And I'm gonna let Dylan tighten it on down. All right, see the way that is made, it bottoms out so that you can't ruin this. All right, now loosen it back up and we'll take it out. All right, it's important that your lines are clocked right, for those of you that don't know, and then you can see that that leaves a perfect crimp. There's what they done, and there's what we done. The reason that the lines are clocked is you set your hoses the way that you want them, because once you crimp it, this hose won't twist. If it does, it'll twist up in a knot and raise up. So the lines are made, run through into the inside. All of our wiring and stuff is done. Well, when I say done, I mean run through the grommets. We got to come back after lunch and fix that goes here. See what we got. Just keeps getting deeper on the Camaro. After sitting in here a few days, Dylan noticed that the gearbox was leaking really bad, just sitting. So he's got that one off and got a new one on the way. Waiting on tech support to get back with me. The air conditioner won't calibrate so that we can move forward, but we're ready to move forward. All right, evening update on the Camaro. Got the new gearbox in. Come in tomorrow maybe. I think he's gonna put it on. I wanted to give you an update of what I had going on inside on the wiring. See that right there? That's what's messed up on the high or the speed right here that turns the fan on. When you try to calibrate this thing, you're supposed to start off on high, hook up your white wire to your gray wire jumper, and move this down, move these controls back and forth. It gives you a sequence on how to do it, and it wouldn't calibrate. Right there it tells you how to do it. But anyway, I contacted Vintage Air and went through everything. See the 2 pins inside up there? I don't know if you can see them or not. One's a 16 pin, one's a 12 pin, and then they told me how to do it, and I went through and I checked the voltage and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, there's supposed to be, on that control right there, that electronic on the back side is supposed to be 5 volts. When it's off, it's supposed to be 0 volts. But when you raise it up, it's supposed to go up to 5 volts. And this one's stuck at 3.2. So they're sending me a new one. So that'll give you an update on this week. It'll be next week now, it looks like, until we get the parts to finish it up. It's always something around here. I kid you not, every time we think, well, we can jump on this Camaro while the transmission's gone and get the Camaro knocked out. Well, then the transmission came back. We got it in, and it needs to be drove. Actually, it's got some wiring to do on it. It's got a new gauge cluster. But I wanted to get this one to where it would move. But right now, as you see, it's not moving. So Dylan has painted all the pieces, the headlight buckets and all, to match, the inner fenders to match. These are the pieces Dylan sanded and sprayed them with the U-Pole satin black, and it just about matches. Well, it actually matches just about perfect to the to those factory, that radiator support and all. It's gonna look good.